Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Power on your Echo and keep your phone within range. Once ready, open the Amazon Alexa app and sign in. You need the same account linked to the device. Next, tap Devices, choose Echo and Alexa, and select the specific Echo you want to update. This starts the network change flow. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled for the app, so the phone can detect device setup and move on to the next configuration steps. Now you switch networks. In the device settings, tap Change next to Wi-Fi or Network. If the Echo is not discoverable, put it into setup mode by pressing the action button until the ring turns orange. This forces the device to broadcast setup. On your phone, choose the Echo's temporary Wi-Fi if prompted, then return to the Alexa app to select your new home network SSID and type the password. Once accepted, the app transfers credentials so the Echo can join the new router. Finish by waiting for the app confirmation and for Alexa to announce that it's connected. This verifies successful onboarding. Once done, test voice commands and streaming to confirm functionality and make sure any smart home skills reappear. If it fails, restart the Echo and the router, then retry the change. This clears transient issues. If problems persist, remove the device in the Alexa app and re-add it, or perform a network reset on the Echo as a last resort. This resolves most stubborn connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.